Hello, little stars. Today we're going on a colorful journey through a garden full of the most beautiful and fun flowers that kids love. Are you ready? Let's go! Meet the sunflower. It's bright and yellow, just like the sun. Sunflowers always turn their heads to follow the sun across the sky. Isn't that cool? Here comes the rose. Roses can be red, pink, yellow, or even blue. They smell so sweet and are perfect for showing love and friendship. Say hello to the tulip. These flowers bloom in the spring and come in lots of pretty colors. Did you know that in some places, there are entire gardens full of tulips? Look at the daisy. It's white with a yellow center, like a tiny sun in the middle. Daisies are simple but so pretty, and they love to grow in fields where you can pick them to make flower crowns. Wow, it's a lily. Lilies come in lots of different colors, and they smell amazing. These flowers are like the stars of the garden, standing tall and proud. Say hi to the daffodil. Daffodils are bright yellow and look like little trumpets. They're one of the first flowers to bloom in the spring, bringing sunshine to everyone. Here's the marigold. This flower is bright orange or yellow and shines like a little sun. Marigolds are often used in festivals and celebrations because they're so cheerful. Meet the orchid. Orchids are very special flowers that come in lots of colors and patterns. They look like they belong in a fairy tale, don't they? Look at the peony. These flowers are big and fluffy, like a soft pillow. Peonies come in pink, red, and white, and they bloom in the spring, making gardens look so pretty. Say hello to the carnation. Carnations have frilly petals and come in lots of colors. They're often used in bouquets because they last a long time and smell so nice. Wow, it's the hibiscus. This flower is big and bold, with bright colors like red, yellow, and pink. Hibiscus flowers love warm places and remind us of tropical beaches. Here's the poppy. Poppies are bright red with a dark center, and they love to grow in fields. They're so beautiful that they look like they're dancing in the wind. Meet lavender. This flower is purple and smells so relaxing. Lavender is often used to make perfumes and to help people feel calm and sleepy. Say hi to the bluebell. These flowers are shaped like little bells and are usually blue or purple. Bluebells grow in woodlands, making the forest floor look like a magical carpet. Here's the chrysanthemum. That's a long name, but you can call them mums for short. These flowers come in lots of colors and are known for their beautiful, full blooms. Wow, it's the lotus. The lotus is a special flower that grows in water. It's often seen floating on ponds with its pretty pink or white petals. The lotus is a symbol of purity and beauty. Say hello to the hydrangea. These flowers grow in big, round clusters and can be blue, pink, or even purple. They look like colorful clouds in the garden. Meet jasmine. This tiny white flower has a big, sweet smell. Jasmine blooms at night, filling the air with its lovely fragrance, like a natural perfume. Here's the iris. Irises come in lots of beautiful colors, like purple, blue, and yellow. They have a unique shape, almost like a little rainbow in the garden. Say hi to the zinnia. These flowers are bright and colorful, like a burst of confetti. Zinnias are very hardy and love to bloom all summer long, bringing joy to everyone. Wow, it's the geranium. Geraniums come in many colors and have a lovely, fresh smell. They're often planted in gardens and window boxes to make homes look even more beautiful. Meet freesia. Freesias are small and delicate flowers with a sweet, fruity scent. They come in lots of colors, and their fragrance is so lovely that it's often used in perfumes. Say hello to the snapdragon. These flowers have a fun name because their blooms look like tiny dragon faces. If you gently squeeze the sides of a snapdragon, it opens and closes like a dragon's mouth. How fun is that? Wow, it's the magnolia. Magnolia flowers are big, white, or pink, and they bloom on trees. They have a sweet lemony scent, making them perfect for a beautiful spring day. Meet the petunia. These flowers are like colorful little trumpets, and they come in so many shades: pink, purple, red, and even white. Petunias love to bloom all summer long, making gardens look bright and cheerful. Wow! Wasn't that a beautiful journey through the garden? We hope you loved all the flowers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kiddo Alley for more fun and colorful adventures. See you next time!